I just got an alert that there is a sandstorm outside. And I will be going outside for research purposes only. All right, let's go. Oh my God. My dust in my eye. I'm gonna wear goggles. Okay, so I had to go get goggles. So. I have no idea if it's safe to breathe, but hey, do not try this at home. I'm doing this for content and science purposes only. So never try this at home. I'm doing this for content and research purposes only. I will say this one more time. Do not go out in a dust storm. Your eyes will hurt very bad, and I have goggles on, so I'm fine. And do not do this. I'm saying this once again. Do not try this at home. Your eyes will hurt very much if you do not have goggles, and I am doing this for for content and research purposes only. And I have no idea if it's safe to breathe. That fog over there is crazy. That sand. Yeah, so one more time. Do not do this at home. Research purposes only. And for content. Alright, I think that's enough adventure for today. I'll see you in like maybe a couple of months or when I do a next video.